My name is Rabbi Brandon Gaines. I am group organizer here at Lifeskills, and I also head the Jewish Pathway. Lifeskills provides a specialized approach for the community because really where I step in having a unique cultural background. A lot of people have, rabbis or clergy working on staff, so religious needs can be met. We see how important feeling at home actually is to the therapeutic process. We'll bring services into the actual program, or whether it's specific needs like someone's coming to me and saying, I want to light the Sabbath candles on Friday, can you get me candles? No problem. Get you the candles, get you the food, get you books if you want them. When you go through a psychological process, especially coming off, let's say, of mental health problems, or maybe it's rehabilitation or coming off addictions, people still want to feel like themselves. It's a big component to successful psychological process. So we realize that if it's simply a cold clinical environment where it's simply the work, come in, medication and psychology and therapy and counseling, at some point they long for their identity. So when you incorporate into the therapeutic process things like the religion and the culture that you have, it only boosts the entire process. My background is not really coming from the religious world. I started cultural. So I completely understand the cultural needs of somebody coming from New York or California or somewhere else, where they're culturally Jewish and want kind of that Jewish cultural experience. So they may go to a Shabbat, or may have some Jewish time with myself or some friends. But then there's the religious side, those who need to have the yarmulke or the prayer book, or go to Shabbat, or maybe even have kosher food. Really, I think Lifeskills has a unique advantage in that because I understand every kind of Jewish persona coming in to the program. As a rabbi, where my philosophy comes to an expression in Hebrew called tikkun olam, fixing the world. And we all know, whether it's psychology or philosophy or theology, if you can't fix the micro world of self, you can't fix the macro world of the larger problem. So it starts with the individual, and the part affects the whole. If I can take one human being who doesn't quite yet know his or her potential and is sort of lost in that early chaos that we all have to endure at some point, and I can help them rectify that problem, advance in life, mature and grow, and become more self-actualized, it's in service of all reality. And that's why I do this.